Okay. Today we can focus about the security share, right? This is sharing concept, data sharing concept. We can look at next class, okay? Because it is a very hectic concept, so we can move that views also, okay?
Sure,
Okay.
Sarvan.
Yeah, yeah. Like views, generally views, right? The views in SQL are it is a kind of the virtual tables. Okay. Generally, it is a virtual table. Why you are creating the views in SQL mean, suppose in the customer point of view, you want to take any one report. Suppose there is a one database, retail database. Under the retail database, we have that one table, fact table. Okay, the fact table is a sales related information. It is holding the sales related information. So I want to fetch the report only with last month sales report. So in this case also you can create the view at the top of the table, then you can make it report. Okay,
Yes.
the performance wise also the view is giving the good performance than normal table. When you are extracting the data from when you are extracting the data by using complex query and hit the query against the table also will be taking a lot of time. But views is not nothing also. Views there are two kind of views also, materialized views and views. The materialized views which is giving good performance than views and tables. Okay, I am telling why we are having the good performance. Okay, so the view also has rows and column as they are in the real table in the database. Okay, so there are the two type of view, materialized view and secure views. So in the Snowflake provides the two offers the two kind of view, the materialized view, normal view and secure views. Secure view means it's very security, it's maintaining the security. Maybe if you are creating one views, right, you can restrict that other user they can't run your view, they can't get the view in their machine. So you can restrict it in the Snowflake. But this is one of the special advantages in Snowflake system. Okay, so basically materialized view, what is a materialized view? Do you have any idea previously?
Yeah. Yes, Sarvan. I have an idea of materialized views
Yeah.
where we'll
Mm.
create a link between two machines where
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can get the views.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The materialized view is the pre-computed data set derived from a query specification. Whatever query you can do that, right? Suppose you can create table view. Yes, select start from table where sales date greater than last week. Okay, so something is happened mean. So it will be fetching the greater than last week data. What is the latest data? It will be getting and it is loading into this view and view name. Okay. Okay, view report something. You can give any name. Okay. So this is a materialized view means you have mentioned that materialized keyword. Okay. This materialized view, what happened here? This materialized view pre-computed data set derived from query specification. So this data set will be completely copied under in that materialized view. Okay, the next time when you are running the view also materialized view, the same result is getting. For examples, what is the difference between views and materialized view? Okay, suppose view means the views it is hitting the query each and every time when you run that query, right? You suppose if you are select star from, you are grading that view. Okay, you are grading one view. Okay, select star from view mean the report, view report. Okay, view report. Okay, so suppose if you are getting the query, this view mean each and every time the query will be getting, it is getting that it is fetching the data from our database. Okay, this query will be shooting each and every time. But if you are demanding the materialized view, what happen? Suppose view name is like that. You can like, okay. Sorry. Mention that VW. We can mention that MVW. Okay. So this is a materialized view creation. So what happened when you are running the view, right? When you are running that view. So this will be returning the some 100 rows. Okay. Maybe this will be returning the 100 rows. So you run the query on Sunday. You run the query yesterday. Yesterday date is the Wednesday, right? You ran it yesterday. Okay. You ran at yesterday. This query, when you are running that, it is 100 rows is coming. Okay. So when you run the query again, when you run the view again, today you are running the view again. Maybe this table, right? Underlying table, sales date, this table, underlying table. Today they loaded some record. Okay. They loaded some record in this table. So when we are running that query, what happened here? Today there are loading with some additional 10 record, means so 110 rows is coming. But in MEW, right, materialized view is nothing between. So the data changes is nothing happen frequently it doesn't happen. So it is returning that 100 rows, right, on the yesterday. Select start from MEW report. When you run the query yesterday, it is 100 rows. Okay. So when you are running the query today, what happened? The same 100 rows is coming. Because after, suppose today we loaded the data 10 records, right? Then normal view it is reflecting, but in the materialized view is not reflecting. So the materialized view, what happened? This pre-computing result. So which is a pre-computing result will be copied and put into the memory. This is a materialized view location. Okay. But when you are running the query any number of time also, when you are creating the first time, right? So what record data set is available, that data set will be retained every time in the materialized view. But normal view is not like that. Each and every time the query will be processing. So this is the difference between the view and materialized view. Got it now?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
suppose if you want to repress the data, there is some command over there. You want to repress the data, there is some properties you need to enable that. Then automatically it is repressing. If there is any changes in the underlying table, then you can repress that. Some in the normal traditional database, right? Then materialized some command is there. Materialized view, then repress. Materialized view dot repress. Yeah, repress. You can pass the true. You are passing some property, then you can run the query only. It will be reflecting the 110 rows. So this is not happening here. So obviously the performance wise, right? This will be holding the pre-computing result, it is storing into the memory. When next time also it is hitting the memory, getting the data. The query processing is not happening. But in the normal view, the query processing is happening each and every time. So normal view, what happened? This SQL statement will be saving in the memory. So when we running the view again and again, so what happened here? Each and every time it is running the query. So this is the difference between a materialization and view and also. For query, materialized view is faster than executing query against the base table of the view. So generally, what is the recommendation of the materialized view? If there is any base table, there is any 1 year data, every 1 year data, I need to extract that, any common table or base table. In this case, you can go ahead with the materialized view. Okay. So designed to improve the query performance for workload composed of common repeated query patterns. So if there is a repeated query patterns, you can go ahead with the materialized view. Okay. This is also that if you are maintaining the materialized view, incurs additional cost. You can leave that. Okay. What is the advantages of the materialized view? So this is the improvement. The normal improvement wise also materialized view is doing the good performance. Okay. Other than table and views also. Okay. Because this is automatically transparently maintained by Snowflake. data accessed through materialized view is always current. Provides a query result faster than the query of page table. Okay. There are some limitation. What limitation in the materialized view? So what are the limitation over mean? So mostly preferable if you are using only single table, you can go ahead with the materialized view. There is a multiple complex join or self join. This at all is not supporting. So what I'm telling you, you are directly fetching one table, right? Select star from. So instead of that also you are putting that join another table. Then you are making some condition. At all there a complex calculation is not recommendable for materialized view performance wise. Okay. Then materialized view cannot query. Materialized view, non-materialized view, UDTF, user defined transform function. This one. So any complex function also you can't go ahead with materialized view. The normal function only you can go ahead. Okay, many aggregate function are not allowed. Any group by or something at all in your underlying query, you don't go with the materialized view. Then this having keyword, order by, limit, window function, UDF. So this kind of things is not recommendable the materialized view. Got it?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the secure view is nothing between, bro. The secure view, right? Secure view, it is one of the additional view. So up to now, so far we have seen two view, right? Normal view and materialized view. Normal view, it will be getting the query each and every time against the database, it will be getting the latest result. Materialized view mean what did you run initially? That result is computing data set. It is stored in the memory in your area, any one disk or something. Then each and every time when you are running the view, it is getting the same result. But if you want to refresh, then you can refresh that auto refresh, then only the data will be refreshing. But next time also without until or unless the refresh, it will be keeping the consistency of the same data. Okay, then this is a secure view. Secure view are defined using the secure keyword. Okay, how to define the secure view? Just you need to add the symbol. Grade view name, right? You can instead of the materialized, you can secure. Normal view secure, then view. This is secure view. If you want to view mean, it's a normal view. Materialized mean materialized view. You can define whatever. Okay, the unauthorized user will not be able to see the view definition using the get DDL or describe command. So why we are going to the view means if you are creating one view means it's a one report. So you are not allowing to you are restricting that report to see by some other user. So in this case also you can go ahead with the secure views. Okay, both regular and materialist view can become secure view. Normal view and secure materialist view, both are you can make it in a secure views. Should be created when considering the security or mainly it is a primary concern for the security and data privacy and the underlying the table used in the view definition. So can be used to apply the row level security. You can apply the row level security by using the secure views. So when evaluating the secure views, Snowflake bypasses certain optimization which are used in the regular views. Okay, got it now? This is a secure views. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can go the practical. Okay, views, right? So security share concept, we can see it later, right? Right now, don't want to confuse it much. Okay, this will opening the SQL. Sorry. So do you get it right? What is the difference between normal view, materialized view, and secure views, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. One. I got
Okay.
the point.
Okay. Let's see that. Okay. Okay. This is a materialized view. You can go to the practice that today. Okay. This is a materialized view, right? So basically, what happened here? Before that, also we have one thing. So yeah, this one is mandatory. Yeah, that one is your opening. Yeah. Okay. So suppose if you want to see the list of the views, right? You can use the show views command, normal traditional SQL. Okay, you can use the same thing. So this there is no view right now. That's why he's not returning anything. Suppose if you want to see the view, right, into the pattern wise, I want to check that whatever is order kind of stuff in the between something. So this is a pattern. This kind of the pattern view, you can same thing like operator and single quote you can percentage and percentage. This is that any character is coming, any character is coming. But in the middle something also order is coming. Okay, the same way is for the M. In the middle of the any letter is M also, that is it is a view. Okay, so suppose how do you see that materialized view information mean? Show materialized views. Once you are putting that also, you will be grading the show materialized view. Okay, there is no pictures right now in this. Okay, so we'll see that next notepad. This is the just for the viewing our existing view. How are we viewing? By using the show command. Okay, yeah, let's check this one also. Be useful for you. So basically, this one, right? This is existing table, Snowflake sample data. Okay, Snowflake sample data. Then this is the schema. This is the table. So what happened here? This is a one table. Just to write, they are pitching the columns to apply the some aggregate function. This aggregate, these three columns, they are using the group by class, right? The group by class, if you are using the aggregate function here, you have to cover it in the group by class. Okay, so once you are running the query, do you have any doubt in this query? Are you familiar with that?
Yeah, I am familiar with that.
Yeah, normal group by query only. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is the how do they create the view? I am also telling same thing, right? Create or replace. Replace means if it's any existing view also it is deleting and it is overwritten and creating the new view, right? So this is a very dangerous keyword. You need to look it and properly use that. Create or replace view and give the view name. View name, it is a standard. VW is a view name should be starting with that. Then use the orders table. Okay, view underscore order. Then as symbol, you can give that same query logic here. This 10 result will be loading into this view. The same query. So once you are loading that, so the view is successfully created, right? Then you can see that right now. So yeah, we created view, right? This view detail is coming by using show command. So this is the view, database name, which is schema, owner, and in the text column, right? I'm already telling you this query statement will be storing into the text column. Whatever this view query statement, complete query statement, it is storing under with the text column. Okay, it is a secure view. So if you are grading the secure view, it is a yes. Otherwise, it is a false. This is a materialized view. No, it is not a materialized view. So okay, so in this case, you can check that status of that. Okay. Then if I want to select the view, once you are grading the view, I want to select the view. Select the star from this view order. Okay. And at the top of that, you can also filter something. Whatever filter you can make it, you can do that. So this is the data, right? Select star from data. So there is a 10 data is coming. The limit is 10 now. Okay. Yeah, 10 data is coming, right? Yeah, select star from view orders. There are some data because we are not selecting 10 here. So I am 10. I'm selecting here. So the 10 result will be loading into a particular view. Then select that view also. Okay, there is a 10 result is coming. So at the top of that, you need to filter some condition mean you can run that view against a view. So there is no condition is meeting, right? So there is no, according to this condition, there is no record. That's why it's not coming. Out of the 10 record, there is this condition is not met anything. That's why it will be returning 0. Okay. So I can revert back my old query. So I am fetching that whole record from this table, this complete query logic, and then again I will be filtering this condition at the view. Okay, this is right. This condition. These are the records will be matching this condition. That's the condition. Okay. So run the select query again. You can make it modify different condition. Then you can make it run there. Okay. So
Yeah,
got it
sir.
this point?
Yes, everyone. I got the point.
Okay. So this is the different way. Okay. The next thing. This. Bro, 2 minutes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.